This is Tim. I hope you're waking up today feeling better than I am. I'm still a little bit under the weather, but um, slowly getting there. I like to bring up this upper level water vapor page to start with to show this huge bowling ball system out here uh, in Texas. It's unbelievable how much rain they've been getting and the storms and stuff. Um, Look at the radar from there. Let's take a look real quick. You can see they have numerous flash flood warnings going on with storms just training across the same area over and over again. Unbelievable. This pattern is likely to continue today. Um, if we let's just take a look and see how much rain they have. Estimation anyway. Let's see. Incredible amounts of rain. Uh, in this area estimated. Let's see. 8 inches. Um, it could be even more than that. 9, 10. That's a lot of rain. If you look on our precip totals, 2, 3 inches of rain in 1 hour. That's crazy. Um, anyway, wanted to show you all that. And just wanted to go over, look at, in relation to that, go over the the flood outlook. As you can see down here, pretty high, right? Makes sense. In our area, there's not much to talk about with that, and there's a marginal risk, and still a slight marginal risk in this area tomorrow, and then kind of hangs out in this area on Friday as well. So just to our north, but we're going to be in a deep southerly flow here. Um, you can see the flow going around here like this, and there's we go through. You can see this is mid levels and the upper levels of the atmosphere. You can see the flow here like this, kind of at the highest levels. It's um, west east, but middle levels it's and down it's from the south. You see the wind barbs here, and that brings moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. Really, um, you know, or let's just go back to 500 millibars. The flow continues. You see that upper level low spinning there, and over time you can see the flow from as this lifts to the north, the flow kind of changes. Um, right, even a little bit, but still at the lowest levels it's from the south, southerly off the Gulf of Mexico, so feeding Gulf moisture into our area. And what does that mean for us? Well, chances of storms and showers each day. Uh, First I'll go over the temps for the Like yesterday, it's going to be hot. Um, Temperature at 5 p.m., according to the HRR triple R model, is going to be 86 today. I won't be surprised if it gets a little bit hotter than that. It did yesterday. Got to about 90, I think. Um, with the heat index around 90, which is bearable, although it's hot. And, the dew point is a direct reflection of the amount of moisture in the atmosphere and how you feel on your skin, and it's going to be humid today. Um, even though it's not extreme heat, it's so hot. So playing activities when it's cooler out. This is not hot by any stretch of imagination for down here, but it's hot enough. And if you're out working in the yard or something too long, you could really get overwhelmed pretty quickly. Uh, Cloud cover for today. It, I think it's like yesterday. There's gonna be some scattered clouds moving through. This is just a mild depiction. Uh, Getting to the evening hours, I think it's going to cloud up because we're going to have some storms around today. Of course, this morning, not much to talk about. This is just a model depiction of the what it thinks the radar look like. As is pretty typical this time of year, um, storms start to build in the afternoon. Deep southerly flow. No real forcing mechanism in the atmosphere. Just pop-up storms that you know will go up fast and go down fast. Now I was looking at the possible rainfall estimates between by the National Weather Service between now and uh, Friday, and it's got a bullseye right in our area, almost as 2 inches of rain in the next 24 hours. I don't know um, how accurate that is, but it's showing a 35% chance, 37% chance of 2 inches or more in our area as of right now. I think that may change based on. This is probably a thinking because it might be show storms coming right over our area and sitting there. Chances over 1 inch. That's pretty high. The model confidence and forecaster confidence for as much rain is pretty high, I'd say. Let's zoom out and kind of go through. Oops. Let's see what it has to say now. Okay. Well, that's some new data here. Oh, 06, June 12th. So it reflects a 3 day period here. 3 days. 2.4 inches. So uh, that's not too bad. Let's look at um, each 24-hour period here. Let's see what we got. Well, at least a half an inch. Usually now on Friday, it's still near 100%. 24-hour. Wow. Okay. It looks like between Friday and Saturday, it looks like the chances drop off. So the chances further to our west, you can see. So, and then towards the weekend, there's still chances of rain each excuse me each day, but not nearly as high. Um, so they told. Let's go back. Yeah. So um, the next several days is going to be rain on and off, and it could be heavy at times, but it's not anticipated to cause any major problems. No severe weather really predicted right now. Um, and I'll keep you all updated on anything else that may be going on. But that's all I have for today, and hope you all have a great day.